Kunal, we've been here before. Can we actually hold higher, or are we going to again slip into consolidation?
No, I think we should manage to go into a breakout mode. Now, I think the market seems to have gotten an inkling that Bank Nifty would likely underperform because of the way most of the large cap banking names are underperforming: ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, etc. So I think in that regards, there are other sectors which have made very good comeback, whether it's the real estate pack, whether it's the select auto names which have been doing pretty well. Pharma stocks have managed to see some good recovery. So I think the next leg on the upside, even Reliance today has managed to participate quite well. So I think the market now could probably move up higher with the Bank Nifty underperforming, or at least remaining in a range, if not a major underperformance for the Bank Nifty. I think 44,000 odd could be a pivot range or a support for Bank Nifty. But my sense is that possibly in the next few trading sessions, if the strength in the large cap names like what we've seen today, the likes of Reliance, etc., if that sustains for even a couple of days, then I think we could be closing in towards the new highs pretty quickly.
Okay, closing on all-time highs pretty quickly. That's the word coming in for Nifty, though Nifty Bank, as Kunal also attributed to, is the one which is in the red. Let's take the view from Manoj Muralidharan as well. He's also joining us on the show. Manoj, what's your take as far as the market is concerned? At least we're seeing some sort of buoyancy from the heavyweights as well now.
Yeah, good afternoon. I guess there are a couple of things that we need to consider. First is if you go back maybe 100 odd days, FIs have been on the shorting spree. Their net average short in the index futures used to be around positive of 70%. And now, at least in the last two expiries, even in the June contract, we are seeing their net longs and shorts are almost equal at 50%. Now, that is one thing. The second thing is usually Nifty has a participation of at least 1.25 crores in terms of open interest, but this time in the June series, it's shying away. We are hardly at around 92 or that clearly says that the instrument or the participation is not really from the Nifty futures much in a trending market. It could more be from an option trade. So what we feel is with the volatility index closer to 11.5%, the Nifty has a potential of 150, 200 odd points. But then we feel it would be grinding and maybe, we get alpha in terms of gap up opening and we are not really seeing any intraday clear buying that happens. Even last couple of days, like you were mentioning, there was money which came out of automobiles and IT as a sector, which was doing good in your April and May series. And we have seen for the first time metals as a sector adding some money. So we believe that with the Bank Nifty not really working in tandem to what the Nifty is, maybe 150 odd points, 18,900 to 950 can be a target for the Nifty. But then I believe that Nifty is more going to correct towards 18,500 to 600. That might happen eventually in the June series. That is when we might see a trending market go on. So it's a range bound session with a positive bias. Use an option strategy. We can go for a long straddle, simply buying an 18,750 strike call option. To get it for 50 rupees, you hedge it by buying a put option also of the same strike with 80 rupees. The stop loss should be 40 rupees and an expected target of close to 140 should be on that strategy.
Right.